What's up guys, welcome back to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Justin and today I've got a super rare and unique car for you. But before we get into that, I want to let you guys know, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button as we are always putting out new classic and collectible car content and we want you guys to see it. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Today I've got a super rare 2023 BMW M3 Competition Jahre edition. Now the Jahre edition is the 50th year anniversary of the M series from BMW. And obviously this car is absolutely gorgeous. This is a brand new car, so I'm not going to talk about the typical things like I do, the door gaps and the rock chips on the front, because this car is brand new. It only has 120 miles on the dash. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go ahead and point out the things that I really like about the car, and we'll just show you guys the car as well. Starting up front here, you see the BMW has these gorgeous headlights. They just look so futuristic. Obviously they are LED and they do have those little slight hints of blue in there as well. As well, on the bottom here, you'll see a front spoiler or a front clip that does have all carbon fiber. This car is decked out in carbon fiber as it is the competition edition. And as you can see, this car is in fire orange. And BMW did a really cool thing with the 5 colors of this car. It came in fire orange, techno violet, gray, cinnamon red, and one other color that I can't remember. But all of these colors were attributed to past M models that are in the past and are no longer being produced, which is really cool and a nice touch by BMW. Moving on down here, you'll see the edition exclusive Orbit Gray painted wheels. They just look amazing. They're the snowflake style and they look great on this car. Behind that, you'll find some ginormous painted carbon ceramic calipers there, gripping onto some huge drilled rotors to stop that 503 horsepower motor under the hood, but we'll get to that later. Continuing on down, you'll see even more carbon fiber. This entire hood is carbon fiber, looks just perfection. All your doors are super clean. This is a 4-door sedan, but it handles like a sports car, as it is that M competition package with the upgraded motor as well as the suspension. Moving on back, you see the Orbit Gray wheels again. And as we get to the rear end of this car, I just want to point out this absolutely gorgeous back splitter that's in carbon fiber as well. I'll go ahead and toss some B-roll in of that as well because it just looks so clean. You got your really nice BMW logo. I do like how they did the custom logo. It does have a couple of different colors in there, the red, blue, and the light blue. You got your xDrive edition, which means that this car does grip the ground with all 4 tires at the same time. It is 4-wheel drive, and that just grips so quick and gets you off the line in about 3 seconds in a 0 to 60, which is pretty immaculate for a 4-door sedan. You do have your M3 competition logos over here as well. And then down below there, if my coworker could take a closer look, those are carbon fiber covered quad exhaust tips there, and they just look absolutely amazing. You might want to get used to that look because this car is so fast, that's the only thing you're going to be seeing when you're on the road. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and hop up under the hood and take a look at that twin turbo 3.0 liter. All right, guys, take a look at that engine bay. It really looks like a surgeon put that motor in there. You are looking at the 3-liter BMW M twin power turbo inline 6-cylinder engine with variable valve control and high precision direct injection. That is backed by the 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission with drive logic and the M Sport differential. Absolutely a ton of motor under the hood there. You got about 503 horsepower that gets you to that 0 to 60 in exactly 3 seconds. Tons of power, kind of unheard of in the sports car and sedan world, but actually a lot of fun. And I would take this one out, but this car is so new that we don't even want to drive it. It's only got about 120 miles on it. But with that being said, let's go ahead and hop on in the interior and show you that, and so I can show you that luxurious interior. All right, guys, we are inside the M3, and just join me and look at how luxurious and spacious this interior is. Sitting in this cockpit, I feel like I'm in a spaceship. You got your huge infotainment system here with tons of options lining the dash, as well as a crazy amount of carbon fiber in here. As you can see, here is the badge for that 1 out of 550 Jahre edition BMW M3s. But continuing on, guys, these seats, I really want to harp on how comfortable these seats are. They do have that nice sporty feel where you're not going to go sliding from side to side when you're gripping those turns, but they also have that nice comfortable feel of a car that you can daily drive every day with no issues. And also, you have tons of legroom as well as in the back. I'm about a 6'2", 6'3" guy, and I have tons of legroom, and even in the back, I can fit in there easily. But moving on down to the steering wheel, guys, you will see this is a leather-wrapped steering wheel that is heated, and it does have your typical 3-color BMW stitching that just looks amazing. Tons of carbon fiber, as well as some carbon fiber paddle shifters to shift through that 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission while you're pushing that 503 horsepower. But yeah, guys, that's mostly it for the interior. Let's go ahead and get a cold start of this thing so you can hear that 503 horsepower motor. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video or videos like this, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And if you like this car or any of these cars that I'm surrounded by, please go ahead and give us a call at 770-738-7111 or visit our website at www.Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Myself, Justin, or my coworker Chris will be happy to help you out with any part of the process. If it comes down to financing, shipping, inspections, anything, we're happy to do it. With that being said, guys, yeah, that's all I got for you today. We'll see you next time.